You gotta climb it?
Yeah.
Like a big mountain?
Yes.
Whee!
I want to jump back over. Watch this.
Alright.
I'll try to break through.
Gonna break through?
I'll go do a strangle. I'm gonna do a mega strangle.
Where do you get all this energy? Bedtime.
Let me try.
In case you're wondering what's on TV, the American divers, the men, just placed second for a silver medal. Turn it down.
I can jump this one. This one can't make a move.
He's jumping on his bed.
Jumping on his bed?
Yeah.
I'm not jumping
There's our colorful lights outside that Kathy gave us. They turn all different colors.
Let me see the colors.
Oh!
It's all me.
Look in there.
Ooh, cool.
Isn't that cool?
The sunshine.
That's a light
I go
coming from
get this.
somewhere.
Such a